Hello, I am Aditi. For each of the following questions, choose the option that best illustrates the given capitalized question word. The question word is forebode, and the correct solution is option number 2. Nostradamus predicted the Second World War centuries before it actually took place. The meaning of forebode is to forecast or predict. Option number 1, the cutting of trees is harmful for the environment, is nowhere related to predict. Option number 3, the caterpillar metamorphoses into a butterfly is again irrelevant to the context. Option number 4, President Reagan, who suffers from Alzheimer's disease, was diagnosed for the same way before the disease actually set in. This is also incorrect because the diagnosis was done on the basis of symptoms. Hence, it was not a prediction or a foreboding. Therefore, the correct solution would be option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. For each of the following questions, choose the option that best illustrates the given capitalized question word. The question word is odious, and the correct solution is option number 1. The execution of political opponents aroused widespread disgust within the regime. The word odious means disgust, hateful, something which is hateful, or something which is very repugnant. Hence, option number 1 describes this the best. Option number 2, she spent all his time probing into the entrails of their engine is irrelevant. Option number 3, Graves' houseman was bitterly humiliated by his failure is also not in the context. And option number 4, Verma sent him a blunt admonition over the mistake is absolutely irrelevant. Therefore, the correct solution is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. For each of the following questions, choose the option that best illustrates the given capitalized question word. The question word is pertinacious, and the solution is option number 1. Mahmud Ghazni attacked India 17 times before bringing down the mighty empire. The word pertinacious means persistent, resolute, implacable, etc. Hence, option 1 brings out this the best. Option 2, after failing a number of times, he gave up ultimately. This shows no sense of resoluteness, hence it is incorrect. Option number 3, her tentative grasp of the facts undermined her confidence is irrelevant. And option number 4, the child mugged up the entire book for the examination is absolutely not in the context. Therefore, the correct solution is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. For each of the following questions, choose the option that best illustrates the given capitalized question word. The question word is sadist, and the correct solution is option number 2. The warden enjoyed beating young children. The meaning of the word sadist is a person who enjoys inflicting pain upon others, who derives pleasure from inflicting pain or hurt on other people. Therefore, option number 2 depicts this the best. Option 1, Christopher Columbus embarked on a journey never attempted before, is absolutely irrelevant in the context. Option number 3, the teacher punished the child for repeating the mistake, nowhere depicts the meaning of sadist. Option number 4, the torture of losing a loved one is really traumatic, is again irrelevant. Therefore, the correct solution is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.